Hello, welcome back to this complete character rigging series and this video going to be little special because this in this video we are going to debug our hand movement. So as you noticing that if we switch our IK and FK, our hand and controllers are moving. So this is bothering me too much, so that's why I decided let's fix this now instead of going at the end, because next we will be rigging this fingers. So it's better like first debug this and fix this. So this will be a great opportunity to you guys to first like find out the issue. As a rigger, we also rig and we also find out the issue and solve it within the rig which has already happened. So this is a great opportunity to you guys to learn this stuff. So let's debug this. Why is happening? Go to the main joint first and as if my like knowledge what is should be happening, this should be happening. There is some rotation which we unneeded rotation should be there. So let's there's a no rotation over here. Just check out no rotation in the here and no rotation in the elbow and also in the wrist. So let's just check this, going to the attribute, and the arm has 3 rotation because this is from there, and this should have 3 rotations. Is fine totally. Go for the elbow. All right, so now we find out where's the culprit. So we have rotation over here in the X, and Y has 0, but Z has rotation, so we don't need this Z rotation. So yeah, this is the culprit. We found it. Now for zero it out, this will not work like this. Why not? Let's open up every setup. So this is our IKFK. This will cost me to, okay, unhide it. This will cost me to redo this setup. So let's fix this. How we gonna fix this? All right, so go for IKFK joint. So before this, what we're gonna do is unparent this finger joints, shift P, unparent this, so that our finger placement will not be moved. So yeah, so and now we have to delete this IK factor. So IK factor, if we delete it, and you see there's IK handle connected towards it, so it will also be deleted. Or if we delete the handle, the effector will also be get deleted. So let's delete the IK handle because we need to create again. And in FK we have constraints, delete this, and also inside the main joint we have 1 2 and 3 parent constraint. So let's fix this. So first start with the main joint. Arm is fine, go for elbow. This was the culprit, make it 0. Wrist is fine. So come over here and the IK is fine, make it 0. And yeah, so now go for FK. It's okay, or make it 0. All right. So one thing I have noticed in the base joint, there's a very tiny rotations going on. Why not make it 0? By the way, there's a not much, it will make much difference, but let's keep it clean how much we can. Clavicle is fine, and the arm also we will have this 0. Oh, nope. I think let's skip up. All right, so yeah, so I kept these values, I did not disturb it. So let's check where we have not matching it from somewhere. Do we have any kind of rotation outside? Check this. No. In the IK, yes, we do have outside rotation. Make it 0. And as we made the 0, you see all 3 of the joint series, which is main joint and IKFK joints, are now start matching. So let's now we figured out, because we had unnecessary rotation in our elbow. So for that cost, we also need to check its placement. The FK, go for press F, and its group, match its positions. So this is moved a little bit, and FK again, this is moved a little bit. Check this. It should be up here somewhere, and it should be here. Okay, this is fine now. So let's now the one controller remains, which is IK controller. Go for F, come over here and check this, and then match translation. Now it moved. All right, now cross check again. I'm doubting this, but this pivot is looking good, so it's okay. I will not be bothered. So let's go do the setup again. So FK parent constraint to the FK joints over here. So FK, yep, FK parent constraint. This one goes to parent constraint. This one goes to rest parent constraint. This parent constraint is done. Now we will do the IK setup. So go for a skeleton, go for our create IK handle, go for first one, second one, and see effect is done. And we have a IK handle over here. First rename it. So we will use the same name as a previous one. So copy the right hand naming, put it over here, and make it its naming as left hand, and put this inside this setup group. So yeah, so one more thing we can do, we can directly put it inside the IK controller. So yeah, so let's go first, switch on our IK controller over here, and now first put the pole vector constraint, because IK had the vector constraint previously. Let's make the pole vector constraint. So now it should be moving the IK joints. And yes, so this IK handle, we need a parent constraint from this IK controller, or alternatively what we can do, so just parent child inside is the IK controller. So it will do the same work, and also it will also help us to clean up our setup. So yeah, so we are cleaning up also. So this is done, and now I think our IK FK switch will start happen. So first, our these joints should be constrained by these IK FK joints. Let's check out again. This is IK is good, FK has constraint. This is nice now. So let's check for the IK, then FK, then make its arm joint and parent constraint. Check out the parent constraint, and IK should be top, FK should be bottom, and same thing again. So we will do the elbow, first IK, then FK, then elbow, then parent constraint, then our wrist, wrist, and wrist, and then parent constraint. So now these all 1, 2, 3 constraints should be go for set driven key, animation keys, set driven keys, set all will be driven. And now this controller should be, this is IKFA controller, should be driver. Switch it one by one controller. So this is the IK on the top, press 0, FK should be off, key, second constraint, check its value, key, third constraint, check its value, key. Now IK constraint is switching is done. Go for FK mode, 0, then 1 to IK, key, same thing we're gonna do over here. The value should be opposite, then 0, 1, select this, and key. So I think I have done the key. Let's switch it, 0, all should be 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0. Now again come here, go for FK mode, was 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. Okay, now switching is done. Good. Now why not check it over here. make it 0, make it 1, and see there's a no movement of the joints, no flipping of the joint. So this is exactly what we wanted. If you compare it to the right hand side, because right hand side we have not done any switching, so right hand side is moving and the left hand side is now perfect. It's perfect. Go for FK mode, and now we will at the end we will parent all of our finger joints and make the child of the main joint. Press P. Yeah, make it P. So this is yeah, so this is all child under. It's again it came under here. Cool. Then so now we have uh, we already debugged the right hand side. Quickly hide this joint. Alright, so now debugging is done. So this is how I'm going to do on the right hand side also. So I will do it, but it's okay. You don't have to watch this video. And yes, so this is how we debug one of the problems. And yeah, this problem is so common. So many of the riggers I see they left it and do not solve it. But yes, this is one of the lesson point for you guys. So good luck for that. And then yeah, I will meet you in the next session after fixing my right hand side too, the same way which I have done on the left hand side. So yes, so good luck with that, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and put any comment if you want some kind of explanations, you have any questions, suggestions. So now I will meet you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.